Wow, you are welcome to this civil engineering YouTube channel. In case you are just seeing this video for the first time, please ensure you subscribe. This is an Autocad training video of which I'm going to show you, and if you are not clear, please ensure you ask questions and I'm ready to answer any question you are going to ask. Please ensure you subscribe and share to your loved ones. First, I pick up the line to know the dimension of what I'm doing from here to this point, which is 5.0. So the distance from here to here now is 5 points. So I pick up my ellipse. This is my ellipse. I pick it here. I pick up my ellipse. I come to this place. So I come to this other side. I draw. You can see it. So let's clean this particular line out of this place. Let's remove it. So this is my ellipse here. So the distance from here to here is 5 meters. I pick up my circle. Or I pick up another line. Take my line from here. So the distance from here now, from here to this point. So what do I have to do now is that I have to take the height from this point to here. Let's check for the distance from here to here now. On my whole snap. So the distance from here to here is what? You can see it now is 2.3. So what I have to do now is that for that 2.3, I take my line from here. I give, let me just say 0.010. Okay. So I pick up the line again. This is how I pick up my line again. From here to here. Sorry to say. From here to here, which is 0.5 again. So what I have to do now is to make sure I trim. This is my trim. I use right click and I use left click to make sure that I read it up. So what am I going to do now? I pick up my circle. Pick up my circle to make sure it's tied together. So okay. Okay. Since I've gotten what I'm looking for over here, what next again? I come to this other side of this circle. I pick up the circle again. I come to this center point and make sure that the circle corresponds to each other. There's something I want to do right now. Just watch. Okay. So what am I going to do again? So the distance from here again, let's check from here to here. Let's give a distance of 5 meters from here again. 0.5. So from here now is now 0.5 distance. This other side is, repeat the line again from here to this side. Okay, which is 0.5. So what do I have to do now? I want to create another circle which will be a boot that the boat are passed through. So this circle I'm going to create, I pick it like this from here. And see, so I pick that same circle, I copy it from that same point, and I place to this other side. You can see it now. But there's something I still want to do from my construction line now. So I pick up my construction line. I make sure that I remove the auto to make sure that the construction line can go where with me. You can see it. This is my construction line. Okay. Okay. You can see I'm doing something right now. So what do I have to do now? I want to trim now to make sure that I erase. I pick up my trim with right click. I press enter through left click. So from this point now, I'll start my erase. Hope you have seen what I'm doing. pick up the circle again to put my center point. This is my center. This is my center line now. So what am I trying to say now? So the distance from here now. I pick up my line again. Distance from here to here. Distance from here to here. 5 meters. From here to here is 2.3. Another line. Let me bring out another distance between the key. 1.8. In this same video, I want to teach you how to plot your graph in Autocad. Please ensure you subscribe once more. From Autocad, let me use this particular zero, which is this particular cycle. I copy it. I pick the central point to another place, another position entirely. So this is my another place entirely. Let me just pick it, put it here. Okay. Let me just say this is my, I'm plotting the graph too, for instance. So those are my zero, and I want to plot the graph of this particular. So the graph I'm going to plot now, let me just pick, okay, so what should I have to do now? I'll have to come to my spleen. I pick up my spleen, then I come to the first zero. Coming to the first zero, what I'm looking for right now is to indicate the center. This is the center point. Then I come to the second point, the center point of the second point, the third point. This is my center line. Fourth, okay, you can see in the center. This is how you plot your graph in Autocad. So this is my graph. Okay, for instance, now I still want to teach you other things, some other things inside this particular diagram, which I just draw right now. So you can see how my line is zigzag. So I have to on the auto. On the auto. I have to press my extend by using my left click and use right click to OK it. You have seen it now. So what I have to do now is I want to bring out the graph by my gradient, by my hash. I use my hash. I come to this particular, you can see it, under the reference. Pick up this particular net 3. Okay. Then I come to this point. Then I preview. That's all. If the size of the graph is not okay by you, what you have to do is just to enter the symbol hash, double click it, and it bring out this table you are seeing over here. Immediately after double click it, from here you can edit whatever anything you are doing. 3000, it's getting bigger. Alright, this is my drawing for the day, and this is the plotting of my graph. Starting from this point, you can see the drawing line, starting from here. So for instance, now if I want to change the color, let me just change the color in order to be different from other color. Line, repeat, hash, no. Now you see that the color has turned to red. Thank you. Nice to have you in my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.